Well, I just got through getting to know Savannah here, and honestly, for a long yearling, she took the banners well, and coming into the indoor arena, you know, she's probably never seen one, and she's really respectful already. You can tell Miss Suzanne's took a lot of time with her and picked up all 4 feet. She was good with that. She even knows how to lunge a little bit. She was a little better to the right than the left, but she's straight-legged and she's got a good hip on her. I love the way her mane is already and tail. She's really willing to do whatever you want, ready to go in any direction. You can't beat the color, obviously, but I would say all around, she spent a lot of time with her and got her head in the right direction. I've seen the pictures, and she looks a lot more narrow in the front end in the pictures than she actually does in person. She's a lot wider than that, and a lot wider in the front than I thought she was. And obviously how big she gets, that depends on you and your feed program and that sort of thing, but she says she's not had any supplements or done anything. She's let her be a horse and took care of her, first year or so, just taking care of her, letting her be a horse and letting her grow. So honestly, all around, I think she's a pretty cool horse.